TAI'ASIA, if you didn't know that. And today I promised you guys I was going to do a twist out tutorial on my hair, and I started already, but I wanted to go through the whole process with y'all to show y'all what I do, because I'm really committed to this and I want to do it with y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use and everything like that. And I also did a poll on Instagram, and majority wanted the throwback playlist or whatever, but I decided to do both, because why not just, you know, give y'all what y'all want. So yeah, if y'all like this video so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell whenever you want to get notified when I post new videos like such. And I also did a Bantu knot tutorial. I will link it down below, so you guys can click that if you want to, you know, learn how to do a Bantu knot. I noticed that I am a product junkie. Like, I have a whole bin full of products and lotions and a lot of stuff that I haven't used yet, so don't judge me, okay? But I recently purchased from, I believe it was Walgreens, I purchased another CANTU product, and it's actually the leave-in conditioning cream. I never tried it before, but I'm pretty sure it works, you know, wonders on my hair, because I tried it on today after I washed my hair, literally, and my hair, like, it looks so moisturized, right? And I also used Pantene Relax and Natural for Woman of Color Daily Oil Moisturizer with jojoba oil, coconut oils, and moisturizers. That was like a tongue twister, but I'm gonna show you it right here so you can see how it looks. I'm kind of running low because I use this a lot, but yeah, it works wonders. So I'm gonna make sure I show you guys again so you can get a good look. And cancel. Go purchase these, y'all, like right now. Like, pause the video, like and subscribe, and make sure you go to the store and go buy it. Because I'm telling you, your hair is gonna feel so moisturized. Like, you're gonna thank me later, I promise. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So this part of my hair is already moisturized and everything like that, and I showed you the products that I use, and I will link them down below. So let's get started. So you basically separate your hair, and you make sure it's a big enough part, because you don't want it to be too small, too big. And you separate it into 2 parts, right? Once you do this, you make sure you go around and around and around thoroughly. I hope you can see clearly what I'm doing. Just going around. It's so simple. It's so simple, and it's so easy to do. So if you look a lazy natural like me, I would recommend this hairstyle and Bantu knots any day. You know what I mean? So yeah, just keep going around and around and around. And make sure it's moisturized all the way to the end, because it makes it easier. And that's how it looks. See? If you know me, you know my hair grows so much. Like, it came a long way. I've been natural since 2014. So from a shortcut for it to grow like this is like, God, it's just amazing. I'm just so grateful, you know. And people ask me what I do. I'm like, honestly, I don't do nothing. Like, I try and I experiment and drink a lot of water and eat healthy, and you know, your hair gonna grow. If you keep bothering it and you keep putting chemicals and stuff in your hair will, you know, start showing you like, okay, you don't love me. Like, I'm just gonna fall out because I don't want to be here anymore. Like, but yeah, it's so simple. Just keep going, keep doing this, and you're gonna see the results. Make sure the ends are moisturized as well. That was my nephew. He bugging in my videos. He be bugging. Grab another section. Separate into two and twist around. Twist around. It's almost time for me to be due for like a trim. So if you want a video on how I trim my hair too, please like and comment, and I definitely will make that happen for y'all. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. It means so much to me. I promise y'all I'm going to make y'all proud going forward. I hope you guys like this video, the twist out tutorial. I went thorough. I showed you guys the step-by-step basis and the products that I use. I'll make sure I link them below for you. And just make sure you do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions at all, any questions or comments or concerns, please hit that comment section and just go crazy. Go crazy, go stupid. But yeah, y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. Like, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all. Yeah, y'all, talking to you, and you. Like, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all. So I appreciate y'all, and I love y'all so much for that. So continue to be y'all, and see y'all in the next video. Bye.